In a world filled with distractions and endless to-do lists, the concept of productivity can often seem overwhelming. You may find yourself constantly striving to do more, to achieve more, only to end up feeling burnt out and unfulfilled. But fear not, for productivity is not as complex as it may seem. In fact, it's quite simple. You may have the misconception that productivity means cramming as many tasks as possible into your day. However, the truth is, you only have a limited amount of time and energy each day, with each day consisting of 24 hours. The key to true productivity lies in doing less and focusing your limited energy on what truly matters. So, how do you go about simplifying productivity and making the most of your time and energy? The answer lies in a few simple steps. Firstly, take some time to make a list of your goals. What is it that you truly want to achieve? Once you have your goals laid out, it's time to trim the fat. Cut your list of goals in half, keeping only the most important ones, perhaps one or two long-term goals that truly resonate with you. With your streamlined list of goals in hand, it's time to create a schedule. Map out your weekly and daily tasks that are necessary to achieve your goals. Having a clear plan in place ensures that you're not wasting time and energy trying to figure out what needs to be done. Next, it's crucial to eliminate distractions. Social media, movies, video games, these are all energy vampires that sap your productivity. Remove these distractions from your life, or at the very least, limit your exposure to them. Your energy is precious, and it should be spent wisely. Now that you've cleared the clutter and have a clear plan in place, it's time to dive into the deep work. Identify the most important task that will bring you closer to your goals, and focus on that task for a few hours, without any distractions. This is where the magic happens, in the state of flow, where your focus is laser sharp and your productivity is at its peak. By simplifying productivity and focusing on what truly matters, you'll find that you can achieve more with less effort. Remember, productivity is not about doing more, but about doing the right things. So take a deep breath, simplify your approach, and watch as your productivity soars to new heights.